Tired of switching between your browser and Trust Wallet app every time you want to manage your crypto? Let's fix that by adding the Trust Wallet extension to Chrome. First, open the Chrome Web Store. You can easily find it by searching Google for Chrome Web Store, or by clicking on the app's icon on your Chrome toolbar, then selecting Web Store. Once you're in the Web Store, use the search bar in the top left corner and type Trust Wallet. Press Enter to search. Locate the official Trust Wallet extension in the search results. Make sure the publisher is Trust Wallet to avoid downloading fake extensions. Click the Add to Chrome button next to the Trust Wallet extension. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you want to add Trust Wallet. Click the Add Extension button. Chrome will download and install the extension. You should see the Trust Wallet icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. A small notification may also appear confirming the installation. And that's it. Click on the Trust Wallet icon in your toolbar to access your wallet directly within your browser. Now you can easily manage your crypto without leaving the page you're on.